Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Yousician Learn and Play Guitar app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Yousician is an interactive music learning app designed to help users learn guitar, piano, bass, ukulele, and singing through step-by-step video tutorials and real-time feedback. It's available on both iOS and Android, and its gamified interface makes learning fun and engaging. The app listens to your instrument as you play, analyzing accuracy, timing, and pitch to provide instant feedback, much like a personal tutor. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Yousician for its structured lessons, interactive learning style, and motivational challenges that track progress and unlock new levels. The app is ideal for beginners who want to learn at their own pace and practice with guided tutorials and popular songs. Its visual interface and feedback system make it easy to correct mistakes and improve faster. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version limits daily practice time and song access, while the premium subscription can be pricey for casual learners. Some users also find that it focuses more on playing notes correctly rather than deeper music theory or improvisation skills. In summary, the Yousician app may be worth using if you want a fun, guided, and interactive way to learn guitar or other instruments from home. However, if you're looking for advanced lessons or full music theory depth, you may need additional learning resources. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.